Welcome back to another video of the main roads we travel. Unboxing.
Upside down.
Unboxing. Better.
Yes.
I only had it this way because this is where it opens up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, if you're new to the video or our channel, I am Nick. This is Amber.
Hi.
Off to the side. We got another box that's been sitting off to the side for the last month.
It's not been a month. It's been like a couple days.
Been saying, hey, let's do another unboxing video, and no. Anyway,
Why do you always act like it's my fault?
I love you.
Mm-hmm.
So, for those of you who have been watching the videos, these boxes are every other month. So with life going on daily, it's hard to remember what the wrestlers were even mentioned on the postcard from the last box. So it's a surprise every time. I forget about it. It's on. There's no more Adam Page or Young Buck stuff because that stuff is always in the boxes. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Anyway. All right. Then we have. Oh, Brody King. Okay. That's cool. When I first saw it, I'm thinking Chester from Cheetos.
It just kind of looked like it. If he was like a bad guy.
But yeah, Brody King, AEW wrestler. And this is Bullet Club for life.
It's their anniversary t-shirt.
Okay, that's cool. Actually, it's a cool shirt. I like it. I want to say that they don't have the Bullet Club anymore. I think they disbanded the Bullet Club over. It was over New Japan Pro Wrestling. I think that's where the Bullet Club originated, and then I know some of them were in Ring of Honor, and then WWE tried to have their own version of the Bullet Club, and they were calling it, I think they just called it the Club or something like that. And then they had AJ Styles, and then the Good Brothers, Luke Gallows, and Carl Anderson, and then so on. But yeah, I think recently they said that they don't have the Bullet Club anymore. I could be wrong. Comment below, let us know. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Mike Santana, micro roller. That's cool. I gotta say, I do miss Santana and Ortiz as a tag team. I thought they were pretty cool, and kind of liked what they did the face paint. But yeah, Santana and Ortiz didn't get along in real life, so that's why they don't team together anymore, which is kind of upsetting. And then for the pin, Tommaso Ciampa for the pin. You always remind me of like a smaller Triple H.
Mm-hmm.
Then
It's a bandana.
Can I just say, before, oh look, Young Bucks again.
Yeah, 3D show glasses.
Oh my goodness. Alright, Pro Wrestling Creator, I give you credit for this one because this
It says wear these to your next wrestling event.
is different.
Then look at the lights.
Oh wow. Okay. Look up at the light. Can you see it?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I wonder if let's see. I don't know.
No. Wait. Go move the glasses up a little bit. Yeah. No. And you're kind of getting it, but yeah.
You know what, maybe if I switch this around. Hi. Okay, I don't know how to switch this around while it's recording. Sorry, I tried.
Well, at least you got to see Amber's face.
Yes, sunburned.
Yeah. So I give you credit for something a little different, but I still feel like this is kind of like a throwaway item that could have went to another wrestler who deserves some recognition of some kind.
Or it had actually something that was 3D in the box.
Right, and I was thinking the comic books that they would randomly put in here. I was like, oh, cool, it's like a 3D comic to go along with the 3D glasses, but no. So, again, it's different, but yet it could have went to somebody else who was deserving of having an item that has not had an item yet, instead of it going to the Young Bucks.
Twice.
Yeah. Or,
I want one of these autographs that you're pulling out.
Well, with you saying that, it makes me wonder. Okay, there we go.
Hurt yourself.
Yeah, well, it happens. So wait, you said one, so there's two of them in here?
Yeah. Now you know who I want.
That's interesting because I didn't think they could have WWE. So Elias with the 24/7 title, which I thought no.
Yes.
No.
You know I like Elias.
You never walked with Elias.
I did. I sang.
And I'm not even going to attempt to say his name because I know I'm going to end up butchering it.
It's like Donovan Dijak? Dijak?
Something Dijak.
It says Donovan.
Donovan Dijak, yeah. This guy. Yeah.
Who was he?
Well, he was in WWE. He was part of trying to remember the name of the group. It was him, Michin, and then Mustafa Ali was the leader of it, and I think there was like one other person that was involved, and they all wore masks except for the guy I just said. I forgot his name. Mustafa Ali.
I like his jacket.
But I can't remember what his name was. I know Michin was no, I don't even know what her name was now. Mace. Mace was the other person, and then maybe this was Mace or T-Bar. It was Mace, T-Bar, and then Michin was something different. I can't remember her name. And then you had Ali, but yeah, and then Elias. Then he later on became somebody else, and he wasn't able to get over on the gimmick, and everybody knew it was Elias. And then they did the whole well, Elias is my brother, and trying to have it to where like they're totally two different people, but it wasn't working out, and everybody still knew what was going on. And then now Elias is on the independent scene, I think, and he goes by a different name. Yeah. So let's use guys.
All right. The next crate includes Sting, Diamond Dallas Page, Dean Malenko?
Yeah, Malenko.
Brutus Beefcake, Macho Man Randy Savage, The Genius Lanny
Poffo.
And more.
That sounds more promising.
There's definitely like, 3 names I've never heard of.
Who's that?
Lanny
Poffo?
Yeah.
So Lanny Poffo was supposed to be at one of the Baltimore Slugfests that we were set up at, and he passed away like the day before. And he was Macho Man's brother.
And then Dean Malenko, I've never heard.
Dean Malenko, the man of 1,000 holds, Dean Malenko. He wrestled in WCW. He wrestled in WWF. He was part of the Radicals when they did the WCW Invasion. Good wrestler. So I'm really curious to see what they have planned for these other wrestlers and
the July box.
Oh yeah. Shane won't be coming in on my birthday. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Have a special birthday box.
It's only like a week later.
True, very true. But yeah, excited about the next box. But anyway, that's gonna be it for the unboxing. And then next weekend, July, June 13th, it will be the Maryland Toy Expo that we will be set up at. If you're in the area, come on out. If you're planning on going, stop by and say hi. Check out what we have. We'll have wrestling, Star Wars, G.I. Joe,
Power Rangers,
you name it, we'll pretty much have it. A little bit of everything.
Watch our Instagram because we'll have pictures on Instagram and Facebook.
And trying to think of what else we had. And then we'll be at STELLARCON the weekend after.
Yeah, it'll be 2 weekends after. That's
Okay.
the 27th.
That's right, because we're going to be going to Virginia Beach the weekend after the toy show, and then after that will be STELLARCON, yes.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Yeah, but STELLARCON and Lust in the City, Virginia Beach, that is for Mystica, for the book signings. Not toy related.
Right, and then, yeah, STELLARCON will be for your books as well, and then, but, we'll both be there.
Yeah.
So.
And then July, we also have Toys for the Ages. We'll be going to Toys for the Ages in July.
We will not be set up there, but we will be there shopping and just hanging out, seeing some friends, and hopefully getting some cool stuff. So, but that's going to be it for this video, and we hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you at the Maryland Toy Expo. We'll see you later.
Bye.